Hi everyone, Tech8TV here. In for today's video, I'll gonna show you how to reset this Brother DCP-T820DW printer and fix the ink box full absorber error. This error occurs when your printer hits on its purge counter limit, so in order to fix this issue we need to reset its purge counter and FLSBK value. To do that, please follow me in this video. Step 1. Unplug and replug your printer's power cord. Then automatically your printer will turn on and shows this ink box full error on its screen. Then step 2, please set your printer into maintenance mode. Just press menu, mono, menu, and it shows machine error 4600. Just press plus button and set 8. And then press OK. Then press plus button again and set 0 and then press OK. And then navigate using mono or color start button and find purge count. When purge count appears on the screen, press OK button to select, and automatically it will show the current purge count value. So in order to reset the current purge count, just press plus button and set 2 and press OK. Press plus button again and set 7 and press OK. Press plus button again and set 8. And then press OK. Press plus button again and set 3. Then press OK. Then purge count value is reset into 0. Then press exit button. And if it shows ink box full error again, please reset also the FLSBK value. So press menu, mono, menu again. Then press plus button and set 8. Then press OK, press plus button again and set 0 and press OK. Then navigate again using the mono or color start button and find flushing. When flushing appears, just press OK. Then here, it shows the current FLSBK value. So to reset, just press plus button and set 2 and press OK. Then press plus button again and set 7. Then press OK. Press plus button again and set 8. Press OK. Press plus button again and set 3 and press OK. Then now FLSBK value is reset into 0. Then press exit button and unplug and replug the power cord. So here on its screen shows 100% normal, and we have successfully reset and fixed the ink box full error or machine 4600 error of this Brother DCP-T820DW printer. Then now let's have a test print to check its printout quality. So now printer is 100% working. That's how simple it is to reset this Brother DCP-T820DW printer when the ink box full or machine 4600 error appears on your Brother printers. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.